One thing we do here at EC3 in the welding program, welding is a manufacturing pathway, starting off as basic welding for the new guys and girls coming in. We move into shielded metal arc, which is known as stick welding. Next, we would have cutting processes, moving on to MIG welding, which is using a wire process, and then finally a TIG welding opportunity. That is the most advanced level.
I chose this pathway because I thought it could help me get through college, which could eventually help me get a chemistry degree and a bachelor's degree. In basic welding, you learn everything from how to use the grinder to using an oxyacetylene torch and just getting started with basic setup of a welder. You do a little bit of welding at the end of the term. You do a toolbox project, which if you pass, you get an extra half credit, which is also really good. For certification, your teacher will have you do different tests, like the joint test, where you weld two pieces of metal together. You do it as a T-joint, and then they'll put it through different types of stress tests, and then if you pass, and if your weld holds, your teacher will certify you. But with welding, you can go anywhere. You can be anywhere from a basic welder, you can be a vehicle military welder, or you can go all the way up to underwater welding, which requires around 5 years certification, many hours. It's very dangerous, however, the pay is also really good.
The welding pathway is a very strong demand nowadays for both male and female students, and we look forward to having you in the future here at EC3 Welding Technology.